This is battery mAh in less than 2 minutes. There are two types of vape battery, integrated and removable. Integrated batteries are built into your e-cig and can't be removed. When they need to be replaced, you just recycle the whole mod and get a new one. Removable batteries are taken out of your e-cig to charge, and when they need to be replaced, you don't need to change your vape mod, you just change the batteries. When you're looking for a new vape battery, you might see lots of letters and numbers. These mean the same thing whether you have an integrated or removable battery. One of the things you will see is mAh. These will be numbers followed by the letters mAh. This tells you how big the battery is and how long it will last you through the day. You might have already heard this when you're buying a new phone. mAh stands for milliamp per hour. An amp is a measure of electrical current, and the hour indicates the length of time the battery can supply this current. To give an example, a 2200 mAh battery can supply 2.2 amps for an hour. This is quite techy, and while useful, it's really a point to note rather than a key piece of info. What is key is the next bit. All things being equal, the bigger the mAh number, the longer the battery will last. So, if your battery is 5000 mAh and you set it to output 30 watts, it will last twice as long as a 2500 mAh battery, also set to 30 watts. But in the vaping world, things are never quite so simple. Factors such as vape core resistance, how you vape, what settings you use, and what e-liquid you choose all have an impact on battery life. You can even use the mAh rating to work out approximate battery life. To do this, you need to use a formula known as Ohm's law. That is definitely not one for this video, but there is loads of info out there. Here are the key things to remember from this video, paused now to read. That was everything you need to know about battery mAh in under 2 minutes.